Tashi Delek is quite modern dance. We do in free position. There is no difference between male and female movement. And now we will demonstrate and explain all the section.
Just a little yeah, yeah. Just a little
We begin the dance rotating upper part of our body, counterclockwise. We repeat few times. Then when the music will accelerate, we move our shoulders, right, left, alternating, also alternating slower movement and faster, as you can see. And now, when Tashi Delek starts, the word Tashi Delek, we start this movement. And we will continue, as you can see clearly. Now pay attention that we bend our right arm and left arm extend on the side, but we open our right foot. So it's like opposite, no? We repeat, no? We do one more time, open right foot and extending left arm, so the opposite. Continue the movement. Now we extend the right arm and right foot goes close to the left and left heel goes up. Now next, both hands at the heart and we alternate heels up and elbows. One up and one down, alternating. Now we open our right foot and next we turn our arms. Now we do a very small step with left and then right and 3 steps, right, left, right with this movement of the arms.
Just a little soul. Just a little soul. Let's go. 如果没见到你，家就和蓝晨见你，一家让你摘起的烈气，切来切哟，托儿哥哥有我见你，放就不散落随你，这内卡他给了三档，梦的切哟。
Now we go forward, we do 3 steps, 4 backward, we turn. We repeat same movement, right hand open, close, now both hands extend and we turn. Now left hand at the hip, we do this movement, elbows is pointing out. When we go forward with the right foot, we repeat few times. Some details of next movement. We cross, we do 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the other side, 3, 4. So right foot cross, and now pay attention, the last step, the knee goes up a little bit, and elbow is like leading the movement. 1, 2, 3, and so it's higher. The next part, we turn, arms up, round movement, then we cross, hands and knee, we go up, and now we start a fast movement, right elbow and left knee, join, and then opposite. This is quite fast, and we repeat few times. And now next, again, we turn like before, and we do the beginning movement with shoulder and turning. Same part of beginning.
日龙个没知道你，这个蓝晨见你，你家让你摘起的来起起来切哟，日龙个没知道你，这个蓝晨见你，你家让你摘起的来起起来切哟。见你，放进个三毛随你，这没卡到天了三当，我的切哟，想，just in 想，just in 想，别的念的，就是这几个念过念的。
In the middle of the song, when there is only music, we do this movement, bending and rotating. We do 5 times, and then start a beautiful female voice, very melodious. So at one point after 5th time, we stop and we listen to this voice. So we listen. There is only this voice, music, then only music, and then the male singer will start again, and then we start to rotate with the same movement like before. This part is like the beginning. We do again all the shoulders movement. Then we extend the left arm with the right step, and then we do opposite, right extend, and then both hands at the heart, and we alternate the elbows and the body weight. Now our right foot opens, and then we turn our arms. Now pay attention that we do a small step with left and then step with right. We bring both hands to the heart. Now again, right step, and then we go forward, bending, and right knee down and arms well open.
Just a show. Yo, come on. Just a show. Just a show. Just a show. Yo, come on. Just a show.